Here are some highlights from the February issue of Cleaner magazine. Could you double your hourly rate without losing a single customer? From camera inspections to the latest electric jetters, Steven Sensabaugh has mastered the art of the residential service call. See why he's staying small, staying busy, and loving the trade after 22 years, all with higher margins. Sludge Gorillas, AI marketing? With a van full of high-tech tools and social know-how, Rod Tarbox isn't just cleaning drains, he's building a seriously fun brand. From frozen lines to social media fame, he shares the lessons that have kept him ahead of the curve. It was designed for toilets, but it's saving his skin on shower drains. Discover why the M12 trap snake is Michael Hawk's last resort before cutting into a wall. With zero-emission mandates looming for 2035, the shift to electric isn't just green, it's smart business. From evaporation to conduction, your body fights the cold in 5 different ways. Stop the sweat and stay in the game with a professional layering strategy designed for the trades. Ready to stay ahead of the curve? From good practices courses to cutting-edge technical sessions, the 2026 No Dig Show is where the industry's best trenchless professionals come to learn. From GPS routing to instant QuickBooks syncing, we're breaking down the latest tech that keeps your field and office in lockstep. The Nostech Sweegle uses built-in ejectors to double your cleaning volume by utilizing the water already in the pipe. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.